Peacock-Wiseman hypothesis. So Alan T. Peacock, he is from University of Edinburgh, and Jack Wiseman, London School of Economics and Political Science. These two economists have written the growth of public expenditure in the United Kingdom. This is a paper. They have presented this paper in 1961. So in this paper, so Peacock Wiseman. So on this name only, the theory was named. So the growth of public expenditure in the United Kingdom. So it was, that is British government expenditure from 1890 to 1955. So a study of behavior of British government expenditure. That means for what purpose they have spent this expenditure. So they have presented a paper. The government spending tends to evolve in a step-like pattern coinciding with social upheavals, notably wars. So here what we are explaining means, so Peacock and Wiseman propounded the hypothesis by examining the time series pattern of public expenditure of Great Britain for the period 1890 to 1955. So according to this hypothesis, increase in public expenditure does not follow any smooth and continuous trend. The increase in public expenditure occurs in jerks or step-like manner. So here we can observe that this is government spending, and what we can observe is, so here it is taking like stepwise pattern. So this type of pattern it can follow. The analysis of Peacock and Wiseman disputed with the Wagner hypothesis. So before this, Wagner explained one hypothesis. So that is a different topic. So this Peacock and Wiseman hypothesis, it is quietly different from Wagner's hypothesis of continuous increase in public expenditure. According to the hypothesis, the importance of time series pattern of public expenditure should be taken into consideration. According to the hypothesis of Peacock and Wiseman, growth rate of public expenditure does not exceed the growth rate of national income during all times and in all economies. So how the economy, how in the economy the national income is changing, so in the same manner the expenditure will also change. So here, so are you following?
Yes, madam.
కనిపిస్తుంది కదమ్మా?
Yes, madam.
PowerPoint you can see. PowerPoint కనిపిస్తుంది కదమ్మా?
కనిపిస్తుంది మేడం.
Okay. So the analysis of Peacock and Wiseman involves three related elements. One is displacement effect, second one inspection effect, third one concentration effect. So three related elements in Peacock and Wiseman. So we have already explained this theory was named after these two economists, that is Peacock and Wiseman. So here we are explaining this Alan T. Peacock, Jack Wiseman. So Peacock and Wiseman. So on these economists' name only, this theory we are explaining. So the government spending tends to evolve in a step-like pattern coinciding with social upheavals, notably wars. In war times also, expenditure growth, how it will be means, so government spending is increasing according to the expenditure growth. So how the national income is increasing, in the same manner the public expenditure is also increasing. So here we can observe the three types of elements. One is displacement effect, second one inspection effect, third one concentration effect. Along with these effects, a concept of tolerance level of taxation is also explained by the DO. DO means two economists, Peacock and Wiseman. So displacement effect, what is it? And inspection effect, what does it mean? Concentration effect, what does it mean? And what is tolerance level of taxation? We can discuss So what is displacement effect? According to Peacock and Wiseman, relative growth of public sector in Britain followed a discrete step pattern rather than continuous growth pattern. So what we have observed in the last slide, so here it is like a step-like pattern. So they have observed, so how they have written a paper. So in that paper, they have observed that in Great Britain, so how it has happened. So public sector in Britain followed a discrete step pattern rather than continuous growth pattern. Sometimes it will be stagnant and then it will be increasing and then it will be stagnant and then it will be increasing like that. So this is a step-like pattern. So during the emergency periods of social disturbances such as wars, depression, etc., public expenditure increased relatively and significantly. As a result, additional tax burden was imposed on people. So what is displacement effect means? Slower the taxation and expenditure with higher level of taxation and expenditure. It is called displacement effect. So what we are saying is, so public expenditure in times of peace, how it will be. So to meet the increased expenditure due to social disturbances, the government tends to increase the level of taxes. This increase the overall budget. So what it is going to explain means, when slower taxation and expenditure, it is displacing higher levels of taxation and expenditure. After the end of social disturbance, public revenue and public expenditure continue to remain at the higher level due to increasing tax tolerance by the people. అంటే ఇంతకు ముందు పే చేసేదానికంటే కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కువ ట్యాక్సెస్ పే చేస్తున్నారు. ఎందుకు వారు తర్వాత ఇంకా వేరే ఎటువంటి పరిస్థితులు సోషల్ డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, సో ఫస్ట్ తక్కువ ట్యాక్సెస్ నుంచి వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ ట్యాక్సెస్ పే చేయగలుగుతున్నారు. ఆ డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత సో దే విల్ కంటిన్యూ దట్ హయ్యర్ ట్యాక్సెస్ ఓన్లీ. సో దట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ట్యాక్స్ టాలరెన్స్. That means earlier they were paying 1,000 rupees as tax. Now they are paying 2,000. So that 2,000 they are paying means their tax tolerance is also increasing. The economy will still move to further higher level of public revenue and public expenditure due to another disturbance occurs to cause a displacement effect. So public expenditure in times of social disturbances. So here 2 is a peace time. So only 2% they are paying as taxes. Public expenditure in times of social disturbances, that means government has to spend more amount when there are social disturbances, that is 4% they are spending. So to meet the increased expenditure due to social disturbances, the government tends to increase the level of taxes. So what is happening here means, so whenever the public expenditure is increasing from 2 to 4, so what is happening means, from where it will get the revenue? So it will get the revenue from taxation. That means it will increase more taxes from the people. So people have to pay more taxes. That is called displacement effect. So are you following what is displacement effect? Anyone can respond?
Yes, madam.
Displacement effect, are you following it?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So in the place of lower taxes, the government will spend more public expenditure in times of social disturbances. So for that, it needs more money. So for that, it will get revenue from the people through taxation. So it will increase the taxes. So that is called displacement effect. Next one is inspection effect. So with the expenditure increase, the government along with public review, the revenue position and the need to find a solution of the imported problems that have come up and agree to the required adjustments. So here the increased public expenditure due to displacement effect created by social disturbance need not follow the same pattern of expenditure. So thus increased public expenditures are partly due to direct results of social disturbance, while other expenditures are due to expansion of government activity into new areas. That means here if the government is expanding its spending to provide different facilities. So what we are doing means some expenditure may incur on technological development, but which will help in the production of new goods. So as a result, new activities to solve such problems should be taken up by the government. It is called inspection effect. So here, what is displacement effect? In the place of old taxes, it will increase the tax burden on the people. That is called displacement effect. Second one, inspection effect means the government is spending public expenditure to provide different facilities to the people. So that is called inspection effect. And the third one is concentration effect. So what is this concentration effect? So before knowing this concentration effect, we should know what is the tolerance level of taxation. So the amount of tax that a population is willing to tolerate and put up with. That means when the government is increasing taxes towards people, so what they are doing is they are paying that increased tax. That is called tax tolerance. So the public attains a new level of tax tolerance when the inspection effect is created as the expenditure grows up. So what is happening here? The public attains a new level of tax tolerance. That means in place of 1,000 rupees, they are paying 2,000 also. That means the tolerance level of taxation is increasing. Why means the inspection effect. So that means to provide facilities to the public. So the government is spending more. So that is called inspection effect. And the next one is concentration effect. So the tendency of the central government activities to grow faster than that of the state and local government. So what is happening means when an economy is experiencing economic growth, it is called concentration effect. So due to displacement effect, the public expenditure goes up and simultaneously the inspection effect raises the level of revenue. So the levels of public expenditure and revenue are thus stabilized to a new level till another disturbance occurs to cause a displacement effect. So displacement effect means public expenditure is increasing. Inspection effect means it raises the level of revenue. So what is happening means public expenditure and revenue are stabilized to a new level till another disturbance occurs. That means any war or any other thing is happening in the economy to cause a displacement effect. This concentration effect will be taking place. So here, so what is the history means? Peacock and Wiseman have explained this growth of public expenditure in the United Kingdom. So they have observed this government expenditure from 1890 to 1955. So what is the essence means? The government spending tends to evolve a step-like pattern. It is not continuously increasing. What is happening means first initially it is stable, then increasing slowly, and for some period it is stable and then increasing, and for some period it is stable. So that's why we are calling it as step-like pattern. So here Peacock and Wiseman inverse three related elements. One is displacement effect, second one inspection effect, third one concentration effect. So tolerance level of taxation is also explained in this theory. So what is happening in the displacement effect means public expenditure is increasing when compared to peace times. When there are social disturbances, public expenditure is increasing. So what is happening means to meet those public expenditures in the social disturbances time, the government tends to increase the level of taxes. So what is happening? Inspection effect means when the expenditure is increasing, the government is also increasing the taxation policy that is called inspection effect. And what is tolerance level of taxation means the amount of tax that a population is willing to tolerate and put up with. That means when social disturbances are there, so what is happening means when the government is imposing more taxes, people are ready to pay more taxes. So that is called tax tolerance. So the public attains a new level of tax tolerance when the inspection effect is created. So what is happening means when public expenditure is increasing, so what is happening means government has to increase its public revenue by increasing taxes. So this is called when in the place of lower taxes, people are ready to pay more taxes, then we are calling it as tolerance level of taxation. So it is also increasing. So concentration effect means due to displacement effect, the public expenditure goes up and simultaneously the inspection effect rises the level of revenue. So we have to remember that displacement effect means public expenditure is increasing. Inspection effect means revenue is increasing. Concentration effect means public expenditure and revenue both are stabilized to a new level till another disturbance occurs to cause a displacement effect. This is called concentration effect. So is it clear?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
అర్థమైందమ్మా మిగతా వాళ్ళందరికీ?
అర్థమైంది మేడం.
అర్థమైంది
Madam.
సో ఈ పీకాక్ వైజ్మన్ హైపోథసిస్ లో సో దెర్ ఆర్ 3 important things, that is what we can call it as tolerance displacement effect, and then inspection effect, and then tolerance level of taxation and concentration effect. So here we have to remember that continuously what is happening means the public expenditure is increasing, but not like a continuous curve. It is like a stepwise. Stepwise means here we are seeing that. So here you can see the cursor. Here we are seeing that continuously it is a straight line curve. Later on it is increasing. Then it is continuously, it is like a horizontal curve. Later on it is increasing. That means for some time it is like a straight curve. So it will be stagnant for a time period and later on it is increasing. That is called tolerance level of taxation. So these 3 effects, that is displacement effect, inspection effect and concentration effect. So what is happening means tolerance level of taxation is increasing. So what is happening means the government will see that public expenditure is increasing and then public revenue is increasing by increasing taxes. So all these are the things it has to take into consideration. So you can respond. ఏం రాణి ఇంతసేపు నువ్వు లాగిన్ కాకపోతే ఎట్లా పాప? Same procedure which we have yesterday we have tried in Google Meet. So same procedure with that we have to log in. One by one you can respond. What is your opinion about this Peacock-Wiseman theory? One by one. Rani?
Madam.
What happened?
Madam.
Respond. మాట్లాడు.
Madam.
ఎందుకు లేట్ అయింది?
మేడం ఇక్కడ నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం మేడం, రావట్లేదు సరిగ్గా. ఇప్పుడు కనెక్ట్ అయింది మేడం నాకు.
So this theory I have explained here in the class. So what is this? Peacock and Weizmann. So both two economists explained this. So they have written a paper, that is the growth of public expenditure in the United Kingdom. So a study of behavior of British government expenditure from 1890 to 1955. So how the government spending will be there means, when expenditure is increasing, like a step-like growth will be there. So it is not continuously rising. So it will be rising, and for some period it will be stagnant, and then for some period it will be rising. So it is a step-like pattern. So here there are three types of effects. One is displacement effect, inspection effect, concentration effect. So what is displacement effect means? Public expenditure is increasing when compared to times is in social disturbances. Public expenditure is increasing. So you can mute your mic, Rani. To meet the increased expenditure due to social disturbances, what the government will do means it will increase the level of taxes. So then what is happening means inspection effect. So when the expenditure is increasing, what the government will do means it will meet that expenditure from public revenue. So it will increase the taxes, and taxation is increasing. So that is the reason we are calling it as inspection effect. So with this, tolerance level of taxation is increasing. That means in the place of lower taxes, the people are ready to pay the higher taxes. So that is called tolerance level of taxation. That is easy. So here concentration effect means, so whenever the public expenditure is increasing, so public revenue is also public revenue, to increase public revenue, government is imposing more taxes, and public expenditure and revenue are stabilized to a new level till another disturbance occurs to cause a displacement effect. For this, so what they are doing means three types. One is displacement effect, second one is inspection effect, third one is concentration effect. So you can respond one by one, you can respond. Kamalakshi, you can unmute your mic and respond. So is it clear, this theory?
మేడం
అర్థమైందమ్మా?
అర్థమైంది మేడం.
అర్థమైంది
So
మేడం.
everyone, have you understood this theory?
Yes మేడం.
Okay. So anything you want to communicate? ఇంకేమన్నా చెప్పాలి? ఏమా? మాట్లాడండి, మాట్లాడకపోతే ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది నాకు? So this article, are you able to see this Peacock-Weizmann hypothesis? Are you able to see this article?
ఎస్ మేడం.
So this one, Peacock-Weizmann hypothesis. Response ఇవ్వండి మా.
ఎస్ మేడం.
ఆర్టికల్ కనిపిస్తుందా?
మేడం
కనిపిస్తుంది.
So here we can again we can discuss. So Peacock, anybody can read this. ఎవరైనా ఒకరు చదవండి. శిరీష
మేడం మేడం
చదువుమా ఇది కనిపిస్తుంది కదా.
మేడం చాలా చిన్నగా కనిపిస్తుంది మేడం.
చిన్న నువ్వు ఫోన్లో చూస్తూ ఉంటావేమో కదా.
ఫోన్లోనే మేడం చాలా చిన్నగా కనిపిస్తుంది మేడం.
ఇప్పుడు
మేడం కనిపిస్తుంది మేడం.
చదువు.
Peacock and Jack Weissman advanced the study of growth of public expenditure through Peacock-Weissman hypothesis by their study of public expenditure at Great Britain during the period 1890 to 1955. Peacock-Weissman hypothesis focused on the pattern of public expenditure and stated that public expenditure does not follow a smooth or continuous trend, but the increase in public expenditure takes place in jerks or steps. They give
So
three
this you
separate
have to
concepts.
remember this. 1 minute. సో కంటిన్యూస్ ట్రెండ్ అనేటువంటిది ఇక్కడ కనిపించదు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్, ఇంక్రీజ్ ఇన్ పబ్లిక్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ జర్క్స్ ఆర్ స్టెప్స్. సో స్టెప్స్ లాగా ఉంటాయి, బట్ నాట్ ఇట్స్ కంటిన్యూస్ గ్రోత్. కంటిన్యూ.
They give three separate concepts to justify hypothesis. They are displacement effect, inspection effect, concentration effect. According to Peacock-Weissman hypothesis, due to some social or other disturbance in an economy, there is need for increased expenditure as the existing public revenue cannot solve the disturbance.
Existing public revenue.
Existing public revenue cannot solve the disturbance. The fiscal activities of the government rise step by step to successive new higher level during the span of decades to meet successive social disturbances. Displacement effect. When a social disturbance occurs, the government raises tax to increase revenue and increases public expenditure to meet the social disturbance. This creates
Stop, Sirisha.
Okay.
Anyone can respond. So what is displacement effect? What is displacement effect? Ambika? Sirisha, you mute chesko. Ambika?
మేడం
What is displacement effect? You read, Ambika.
మేడం క్లారిటీ కనిపించట్లేదు మేడం. When a social disturbance occurs, the government raises taxes to increase revenue and increase public expenditure to meet the social disturbances. This creates a displacement effect by with the low taxes and expenditure are replacement by higher tax and expenditure levels. However, after the disturbance ends, the newly emergent level of tax tolerance makes the people willing to support higher level of public expenditure since it is capable of bearing a heavier tax burden than before. As a result, the new level of public expenditure and public revenue stabilize but are soon destabilized by another new disturbance which causes and మేడం కనిపించట్లేదు మేడం కొంచెం
Other displacement effect.
అండర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఎఫెక్ట్.
ఓకే, నువ్వు మ్యూట్ చేసుకో. రాజ్యలక్ష్మి You can unmute your mic. Rajalakshmi. వినిపిస్తుందా? మనీషా, వినిపిస్తుందా లేదా? కమలాక్షి,
Madam,
you read this second one.
even if there is no disturbance, there is strong motivation to return to. Therefore, operation due to disturbance activity and take up function earlier neglected. This is known as
Okay, you mute your mic. Divya,
Madam.
You read this concentration effect.
Okay, madam. When an economy is experiencing economic growth, there is a tendency of central government activities to grow at a faster rate than that of state and local governments activities. The concentration effect, it is related to the political setup of the country, madam.
Next.
Conclusion కూడా చదవాలా మేడం?
You mute చేసుకోమా. రాణి, you read this conclusion.
The Peacock-Weisman hypothesis of government spending trend is more convincing than in Weisman hypothesis. The natural course of Madam, the natural Madam కనపడలేదు మేడం. The natural course of
ఇప్పుడు
కనిపిస్తుంది మేడం. Wagner hypothesis, the natural course of advancement and structural changes in an economy leads to constant and systematic expansion of public expenditure. An increase in public expenditure can also be population of civil rights, awareness of duties by the state government, etc.
So what we have observed here, so there are 3 types of effects. So there are 3 types of effects when we are discussing Peacock-Weisman hypothesis. So displacement effect, inspection effect, and concentration effect. So displacement effect means whenever the social disturbance occurs, government raises taxes to increase revenue. So public expenditure is also increasing to meet the social disturbance. This is called displacement effect. Inspection effect means strong motivation will be there. So people will pay higher taxes also. That is called inspection effect. Then concentration effect means government's economic activities to grow at a faster rate than of state and local governments activities. So central government's economic activities will increase faster rate. So this is called concentration effect. So these 3 effects, we are calling it as Peacock-Weisman hypothesis of government spending. So when we are comparing with Wagner's law, first one is Wagner law and second one is Peacock-Weisman hypothesis. When we are comparing with Wagner's law, so Peacock-Weisman hypothesis is more convincing when we are explaining these three effects: displacement effect, inspection effect, and concentration effect. So an increase in public expenditure can also be accredited to public expenditure. Why the government is increasing public expenditure means to more urbanization, more population growth is there, then awareness of civil rights, awareness of duties by the state government. All this can meet by increasing the government expenditure. So is it clear to everyone?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Any doubts are there?
Yes, madam.
Doubts unnaya?
No, madam.
No, madam.
ఇంకేమైనా చెప్పాలా? Anything you want to convey? ఏమైనా చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారా? Okay then, we'll stop the topic here only. Okay?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.